Hello. To import or export contacts on the Redmi Note 14, first of all we have to go into the Contacts application and go into Organize. And as we swipe down, right here we have two options, to import from file and export from file. So basically, right now let's export to file some contacts, and you simply press on it, choose what accounts to export. You can export SIM cards or the internal storage of your phone. Let me enable the internal storage and press export. And right now we have to choose the location where to save the file with exported contacts. So let's leave it right here, let's save it. And alright, now to import from the file, we have to simply press this button. And we have to choose the location where to save imported files, and let's save them on my account, for example, in this time. And you'll have to find the location of the file you want to import the contacts from, and in my case the file is right here in the same location I saved it. So let's select it, and right here we have the information that the contacts will be imported shortly. So let's take a look. Let's go into the contacts and select the contacts from this my account. And I previously didn't have any contacts available in my Google account, and right now, as you can see, I do have some. So basically that's how to import or export contacts on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.